Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Metro driver job by Homey Store into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Now first we have to run the SQL of the script. For that, just double click over here, open your head SQL, select your server, then click on run. Now open the config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. As you can see, this is the location of the NPC from where we can get the job of the Metro driver. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And this is the money system. You can configure it according to your use. So I'll be keeping it default for now. This is the train spawn location and this is our train stop locations over here. This is the configuration for the passengers. You can configure it according to your use. So this is the configuration of the level system over here. And there are much more configs which you can configure it according to your use. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and over here you can see this is the location from where we can get the Metro job. And this is the location in the map over here as you can see. Now let's interact with the pad. We just need to press E over here. So this is a job menu over here as you can see. And there are much more options over here as you can see. This is the option of experience level over here. So now let's start the job by clicking over here. Now over here we have to select the route map. So I'll be selecting this one. So I got the Metro train over here with me as you can see. So now let's start the train. So over here you can see the train has been started. In the above you can see the name of the next stop, which is LSIA parking. So let's go over there. So we reached to the next stop, which is the LSIA parking as you can see. Now we need to stop our train over here on this green line. Now we have to press Q to open the train doors. Now to close the door, we just need to press Q again. Now let's go to the next stop. Okay, here we got the signal of maximum speed limit. So let's increase the speed a little bit over here. So the station has been reached now. Now let's stop the train over here. Just like this. Now press Q to open the door. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.